So my Apple TV remote has stopped working and I have not been able to figure out what the issue is. It is not taking charge. So I have seen one or two videos how to open it. So I'm trying to, let's see if this is something which you can buy on Amazon or eBay, something. It is used for opening up tight fitted electronics like this one, or watches or something like that. So what I'll do is I have already tried to pry it open, so it will be easier this time. But if you do it the first time, it might be a little bit difficult. So what I'm going to do is put it in here, this edge, like this, and then try to move it like this. Move it all across the edges like this, and move it like this, and you can break its seal. Like this. So I would adjust the camera's angle. Give me a second. And continue going like this, as you can see here. I have broken the seal. And continue all the way like this. So this is open now. Yes. So as you can see here, there is that ribbon wire which is connecting this portion to that one. So be careful, don't just yank it, otherwise it will be very difficult to install this wire again. So once it is open, you can see here, these are the contact points for the buttons, these three buttons, and similarly on this side, this one. So what you can do is take up any piece of tissue paper and wipe these buttons like so, because sometimes a little carbon starts gunking it up and it doesn't work. Similarly do on the other side also. With moderate pressure, keep cleaning it. Once it is done, do the same for other side. And on this side also. As you can see here, these are two hooks, one and this one. So to close it again, all you need to do is just push these in like this, and start pressing it all around. And there is the residual of the previously applied glue in there, the one which was originally there. So it will make sure that it all fits nicely again. This is how it looks like after this. Now let's go and check if it is working. And also make sure to look inside this. This is the port where the charging cable goes in. If it is dirty, you can spray some contact cleaner inside it, and that will make sure that it starts taking the charge and it starts working. So let's see. Now test it on the TV if it is working. So let's see if the remote is working. This is Apple TV. Yes, as you can see. So it is working fine. The repair has been successful. Thanks for watching.